Today I'm checking out this WEN rotary tool that I bought off of Amazon. It's a great economical price and it comes with pretty much everything you need to get started. So I'm going to go ahead and get this thing out of the box and we're going to check it out. Once you get it out of the box, you're going to find it in this box, this case, which just has this sleeve over it. You've got a nice handle case here. I mean, it's a basic case, but does what you need it to do. Unpop those two pieces and here you go. Got a manual, you got the rotary tool and your extension here, which is great. I use these a lot. And then it even comes with kind of an intro pack of little bits and pieces to use with it, which is great. You know, this is always good to have extra of these. I've already got quite a few accessories for these because I have 3 rotary tools, one that's a battery operated one that's wired like this one that goes in the wall, and then one that's a small battery operated one that's just meant for polishing and things. But the one that I have that is corded like this is not functioning properly anymore, so I wanted to replace it, and this looked like a great option at a great price. It does have this little plastic case in here too, so once you open these, you can pour it into here if you want and hold your little bits and pieces in here. But yeah, it's everything I expected. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.